they touch the breeze, drifting slow through silver leaves. I watch it dance, so wild, so free, a tiny dream escaping me. Maybe it knows where I belong, carried by the wind, by a soft love song. Fly high, don't crash, ride the sky, make it last. If it falls, I'll try again. Every hope can rise in the end. Paper airplanes take me far, past the moon, beyond the stars. Folded secrets, heart unplanned, dreams that rest in open hands. If love's a wind, then let it blow where paper hearts and courage go. Ink-stained hands, a restless heart, I've been folding since the start. One more crease, a careful line, every wish is yours and mine. I see the glow of evening's hue and wonder if you're flying too. Maybe your sky meets mine tonight, two paper souls in fading light. Turn, don't look back, dreams still glide on that paper track. They dip, they dive, they find their way through quiet clouds and shades of gray, lost in air, but I don't care. They'll find their home somewhere rare, and if one lands upon your hand, you'll know it came from where I stand. Of it all. If love begins in skies like these, then let me fly where heartache frees. Don't look down, don't look back, I'll chase the light on that paper track. Fold it tight one last time, send it past the skyline line. If it breaks, I'll make another. Paper dreams are made to hover.